The Voter Party International is a very good party. We want votership, no rest. Do or die for votership. Votership divide GDP 50-50. The votership, the central pillar of a democracy. We want votership, no rest. Do or die for votership. What's best? The Voter Party International is a very good party and responsibility and understanding, very good party. And the government of parents, there is a new political party and social science and economics freedoms, and the central government's main family will import the support and protection. Otherwise, poverty, unemployment and shortage of food are some problems of our country.
What is your name?
Votership, we want votership, no rest. Do or die for votership. Votership divide GDP 50-50. The votership, the central pillar of a democracy. We want votership, no rest. Do or die for votership. The votership, the central pillar of it. And according to Article 22 of the Constitution, every person has fundamental right to be defended by a law. Article 29A of the Constitution places a duty upon the state to provide law to any citizen who is unable to engage one due to poverty or other. Why not votership? Why not pension? The central government main family will import the support and protection. Otherwise, poverty, unemployment and shortage of food are some problems in the country. And to make social security, economic human rights, right to live and taking their share and a various collective property fundamental right, all the voters and
नोंथांनाव हान्थु सिं गोदोना आखाइनि आसि सिंस्रि दाफोना सानाय आफादावनि सानाय आथिं मिजुनाय सानाय खर' जरा सानाय आथिं फारनैबो बोलो मोनै जानजि सानानै आथिङाव साहैनाय जायखिजाया गोजामनिफ्राय गोजाम सानाय जादोंब्ला नोंथांमोना जिंगासिनो नांला नोंथांमोननि थाखाय खम बेसेनावनो लाबोदों फिल नेचार जइन्ट पेन वेल बे थाव मालिसखौ फुनोब्लानो नोंथांनि गासै सानाय जेंनाया खारगोन अब्ला मानोथो गोबाव खालामखो अर्डार आरो गोबां मोनथिनो थाखाय नैबे जानबुं नङाव फन खालाम 9974030738